A meal fit for a king. After our dinner. How's about a quick game of tennis?
Sorry, I'm busy doing anything else.
Maybe next time.
Yikes.
Catchy.
Man, that salmon's fresh.
How fresh?
Like the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Nice.
Gimme.
Watch it.
Oh, just shut it and put it in my lips.
Take it easy, man.
Sorry, brother. Salmon makes me a little randy.
It gives me the skids.
Tell me about it. My toilet's a total mess.
Don't you mean my car?
Don't act like I didn't pay for it.
I guess that's only fair.
Ignore him.
You'll share with him back at the nest though, right?
He'll get whatever he earns.
What does he do to earn it?
He just has to get me there.
Hell yeah.
Twice.